Horticulture is the act or practice of garden cultivation and management. The term horticulture is derived from two Latin words, hortus meaning garden and culture meaning cultivation. It refers to crops cultivated in an enclosure. Example, garden cultivation. Horticulture is an ancient lifestyle, first invented by cultures in Southwest and East Asia. China tops the list by being the world's largest fruit and vegetable production. There are several major types of horticulture. These include oloriculture. This is the production of vegetables. We have pomology, the production of fruits and nuts. There is viticulture. This is the production of grapes that are largely intended for wine making. Floriculture. This is the production of flowering and ornamental plants. There is turf management. It is also the production and maintenance of turf grass for sports, leisure, and amenity use. We have arboriculture. It is the cultivation and care of individual trees, shrubs, vines, and other perennial woodland plants, primarily for landscape and amenity purposes. There is landscape horticulture. It is the selection, production, and care of plant use in architecture. It sustains and enriches our lives by influencing the quality of the air that we breathe, provides nutritious food, encourages the diversity of wildlife habitats, and enhances the beauty, value, and aesthetics of our homes, communities, and landscapes. A person who studies and practices horticulture is called a horticulturist. Horticulture science includes the research, study, and practice of plant cultivation, plant propagation, plant breeding, production of crops, and plant physiology. Horticulture crops are used to diversify human diet and to enhance our living environment. Vegetables, fruits, flowers, ornamentals, and lawn grasses are examples of horticulture crops and are typically produced on a smaller scale with more intensive management than agronomic crops. Horticulture also contributes to quality of life and the beauty, sustainability, and rehabilitation of our environment and the human conditions. Plants, crops, and green spaces sustain and enrich our lives by providing nutritious food, enhancing the beauty of our homes and communities, and reducing our carbon footprints. Fruits and vegetables are full of fiber, vitamins, and minerals essential to health. Horticulture provides opportunities for individuals to remain active and make healthy food choices, which ultimately minimize the risk of diseases like diabetes, heart diseases, stroke, and various types of cancer. Aside from the physical and nutritional benefits that horticulture supports, it also provides unique mental well-being benefits. The horticulture subsector is a very important segment of agriculture. It plays a vital role in income generation, foreign exchange earnings, employment, and food security.
The benefits of horticulture. We have one aspect which is very, very important. That is landscape design. Landscape design has become very lucrative in this country because everybody wants flowers in his or her house. Everybody wants to reduce the pressure in his or her house. Everybody would like the house to be beautified. Color, green color, and we have the red color. So this plant like this, even if you don't want to do landscape, you can get the white of it, pink of it, orange of it, and red of it. Just these four colors, you can use it to make a very nice design, landscaping design. And everybody comes to the, and this is cactus. Cactus, we use it for rock gardens. Yes, this is an old cactus. This has been here for
The horticulture subsector has the potential for the needed diversification of the export base, modernization of agriculture, acceleration in economic growth, and poverty reduction. It also provides hygiene and also makes our environment beautiful. After hearing that horticulture revolves around plant life, many people relate it to agriculture. While some agriculture strategies cross over into horticulture strategy, the two are different. Horticulture strictly involves plant cultivation, whilst agriculture involves both plant cultivation and animal farming. Horticulture includes plants that are not for human consumption. Agriculture primarily focuses on plants that are for human consumption, whilst horticulture is done with a much smaller scale. Agriculture is performed on extensive pieces of land on a large scale. Botany, which is also another type of farming, shares core elements with horticulture farming. It can get confusing as to whether these two terms are interchangeable. Horticulture and botany both deal with plants and derive knowledge from science. Additionally, if someone is trained in botany, they can work in the same department as someone trained in horticulture, and vice versa. Horticulture is an applied science, whereas botany is a pure science. Horticulture focuses only on edible and ornamental plant life, while botany deals with living plants, organisms, from the smallest aquatic plants to the largest trees. Horticulture is the combination of science and art and aims to cultivate and nurture gardens and plants, whilst botany studies the structure, physiology of plants. In conclusion, horticulture crops are quite economical for consumption than any other crops. These plants add beauty to your farmhouses or gardens. Horticulture is the only plant science that includes both plant science and plant aesthetics. The knowledge gained by horticulturists is used to improve plant production, marketing, and the quality of human on earth. This is an environmental friendly and sustainable way to use small plots of land to supply healthy fruits and vegetables, and it gives us the great opportunity to stay connected with nature. With all these qualities and importance of horticulture, we can imagine how the world would be without horticulture farming. A documentary by Mariam Esenam Isa.